Hello mga te! Welcome to another episode of Do It with Shayne. For today's episode, we are going to test and review a home care product. Ano po bang home care product itong sinasabi ko? This is the air purifier. And of course, as usual, I've ordered it from Lazada. Ano ba ito? Hindi ko talaga alam, pero may sumpa ako sa mga ganyan. So, ano ba yung reason ko? Bakit ako umorder ng product na ito, no? It is because lagi na ako nasa loob ng bahay, I am working from home, and according to my research, if lagi kang nasa enclosed space, yung air circulation and even yung mga particles na nasa atmosphere ng enclosed space kung saan ka namamalagi is parang recycled na. Ibig sabihin, it is no longer that pure or clean. That is why I've decided to buy an air purifier para gamitin namin sa kwarto ko. Kasi yung studio ko and yung office space ko dito sa bahay is nasa loob lang ng room. Kaya halos 24/7 nandito lang ako sa loob ng kwarto. So pag order ko sa kanya, I've decided also to share my thoughts and review on this product. Ano po ba itong sinasabi ko? Kunin natin at ipakita natin sa inyo. So this is the air purifier that I bought recently and eto ang ginagamit ko ngayon sa bahay or sa aking kwarto. So bago ko ipakita kung paano siya gamitin, let me first explain to you kung ano yung makikita natin sa box. This product I bought for $898 if I'm not mistaken. If you will include the shipping fee, it cost a total of $1,201.55. So I will put the link of the seller in the description box and also in the comment box. So let me show you kung ano ba ang meron sa product na ito. So the product includes the air purifier device. It also has a free filter already, and it also has a remote control and also a manual with warranty card. Alright, so ano po ba ang meron sa box? The brand is straightforward. It's called Air Purifier. It has a tagline of breathe in nature, enjoy your fresh air. So sa gilid naman makikita natin, effectively removes up to 99.7% of pollutants with PM 2.5. Ano po ba yung PM 2.5? PM 2.5 filter is actually the type of filter na ginagamit nitong device na to. It means that this product can actually filter out micro dust na kasing liit or size ng 2.5. So that is less than a diameter size ng dust. So, meaning to say, kung ma-filter out niya yung mga microdust na yan, hindi natin or maiiwasan nating i-inhale yung mga microdust na usually, yun ang nagkukos ng allergies or allergic rhinitis sa akin and also sa aking mga family members. So, kung mapapansin nyo, kapag maalikabok, bigla kayong nahatching. So, yun yung mga microdust na nai-inhale natin kadalasan sa atmosphere ng enclosed room or even the environment na mamalagi. Another thing is, it says here, it has 99.8% of filtering ng mga microorganisms. Later, I will explain it to you. And also, it filters out 88.9% of formaldehyde. So, I will explain to you what is formaldehyde. Ano po ba itong mga chemical na to na finifilter out also nitong ating air purifier. If you will go to the lower portion of the box, it will tell you the description of the device and the functions of it. It says here, it has an acrylic panel touch control. It has a high quality motor with bearing. It has a TVOC odor sensor, detects air quality, and it has a digital display of indoor temperature and PM 2.5. Meron daw siyang tinatawag na 5 layers filtration, remote control, filter replacement reminder, and 3-speed control. So, sa gilid naman ng box, makikita natin another description or additional description nitong device. We have a professional filtration system, an intelligent air monitoring, sleep mute mode, and air through the network replacement reminder. Before we show you the different parts of the product, let me explain to you ano ba yung sinasabi nila na HEPA filter, ano ba yung sinasabi nila na TVOC. Based on my research, let's go first sa VOC. What is the meaning of VOC? And I will read it para hindi po ako magkamali, no? Sabi dito, VOC stands for volatile organic compounds. What is that? These are large group of chemicals that are found in many products we use to build and maintain in our homes. It says here, once these chemicals are in our homes, they are released or off gas into the indoor air we breathe. So ano po ba yung mga TVOC na to or mga VOCs na to? Probably, ito yung mga gases na nai-emit kapag, let's say for example, gumamit tayo ng mga incense, air freshener, anti-mosquito repellent or sprays na ini-spray natin sa loob ng bahay natin. And kahit sabihin natin na it makes our home fresh and mabango, mga chemicals pa rin yun na nahahalo sa atmosphere or sa hangin na nasa loob ng kwarto natin. This device actually filters and clean the air. Ayan, pinifilter niya yung harmful chemicals para hindi natin ma-inhale. O, diba? Bonggang-bongga. Another thing is, kasi diba sabi niya, it has a 5-layer filter. So, it has the 2 main filter, the HEPA filter, and also it has a carbon filter. Ano naman yung carbon filter? I will read it again. Carbon filter are the filters most commonly used to remove gases. They are designed to filter gases through a bed of activated carbon and are usually used to combat volatile organic compounds. Yung carbon filter is actually siya ang nag-filter out or sumisipsip ng mga tinatawag nating VOCs or yung mga volatile organic compound na nahahalo sa atmosphere ng room or ng area kung saan tayo namamalagi. Now, what is a HEPA filter? A HEPA filter is a type of mechanical air filter. It is actually an acronym. The acronym is Highly Efficiency Particulate Air Filter. Diba? Grabe, bongga. This type of filter can theoretically, it says here, remove at least 99.97% of dust, pollen, mold, bacteria, and any airborne particles with a size of 0.3 microns. So talagang finifilter out niya even the bacteria and molds, 'di ba, na nasa atmosphere or nandun sa area kung saan natin gagamitin itong device na ito. So what is the importance of HEPA filter, especially now that we are experiencing yung mga disease or mga viruses and bacteria na kayang magtagal sa atmosphere or sa surfaces ng ating mga bahay for a couple of hours, itong device na ito that is using a HEPA filter can actually filter that out. So, bonggang-bongga yan para sa atin. Kaya, bumili ko nitong product na ito. Now, tuturuan ko na kayo kung paano gamitin itong ating air purifier. So, before we go to the tutorial, tutorial talaga, of how to use the product, let me show you and let us appreciate muna kung ano meron sa product na ito. So, let me go ahead and get the product itself. Ayan. So this product is actually electronic. You have to use, of course, and plug it in. Hindi po siya rechargeable. Together with this product, kung mapapansin nyo, ang product na ito is made out of plastic. Pero kahit na made out of plastic siya, hindi siya yung tipong cheap type of plastic material. Another thing is innovative. Parang feeling ko parang high-techy type ng mga buttons. Meron siyang switch, which is the on and off button. Meron din siyang anion switch, meron siyang timer, meron siyang button for smoke-free. Another thing is to purify, and also the sleep button. So, ito yung mga makikita natin sa taas ng mga buttons niya. Saan naman natin makikita yung filter? The filter is actually inside. It can be detached. and it can be replaced. Yes, of course, from time to time, you have to replace the filter kasi mapupuno at mapupuno ng mga particles etong filter natin. And kung masyado na siyang puno or madumi, hindi nagagana yung function niya as an air purifier. So, paano natin siya tatanggalin at paano natin papalitan yung filter? Napakadali lang. So, ang gagawin mo lang is to pull the upper part. Ito yung ginagawa ko. So, pull this side. Lumabas na siya, no? And on the other side as well, medyo pababa yung pagkakapull mo. Ayan. And then, you'll pull the bottom part. And, ayan na siya. So, ito yung pinaka-filter niya. And this one, you can actually buy a refill or ng filter alone. Hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng device ulit para lang makabili ng filter. I believe the filter costs mga 300 to 500 pesos. But this filter can be used for how many months din naman. Depende kung gaano ka-frequent mo siya gagamitin as an air purifier. Now, how are you gonna remove the filter and change it to a new filter? Meron tayong parang pull na tela dito. All you need to do is to pull this one. And ganun lang kadali. Matatanggal mo na yung filter. Now, if you wanna put it back, you just put it like so and then push it sa loob ng device. Ayan na ulit yung filter natin. Again, this filter is a 5-layer filter. So, meaning to say, meron siyang initial filter, tapos nasa loob yung kanyang carbon and HEPA filter, and meron pa siyang last filter or 2 more filters dito naman sa likod. Para purified na purified talaga yung air sa loob ng area or ng room na kung saan gagamitin mo tong device na ito. And how are you gonna put it back? Ako, ang strategy ko, inuuna ko yung sa taas. And I will push lang yun nasa baba. So, ganun lang siya ka-easy ikabit, i-detach, i-disassemble, and then palitan ng filter. Together with this device is a remote control. So, all the buttons na makikita natin sa device mismo, nandun din siya sa remote control. So, even if you're away or even if you're lying, 'di ba? Magagamit at magagamit nyo pa rin yung device kahit patulog ka na, pwede mong iset yung timer niya. Another thing na na-appreciate ko sa product na to is of course the manual, okay, and also the warranty card. So, mapapansin natin dito sa manual kung paano siya gamitin, what are the different parts of this product, the safety use or measures on how to use this product, and even how to clean and replace the filter. So, ganun siya ka-comprehensive, and the beautiful thing about this manual is that it is in English. So, madaling-madaling lang talaga natin siyang maintindihan. And that is how you're gonna use our air purifier. Now, what is my final verdict on this product? So, punta muna tayo sa positive side nitong product na to. Of course, the beautiful thing about this product, as you can see, it is very straightforward, very simple in terms of its aesthetic and design and functionality. So, for me, that is a plus point ng any product na nakikita ko sa market because I really like na medyo sleek siya and also very simple and easy to use lang. Another thing is, if you will put this product sideways, hindi siya ganon kataba or kakapal. So, meaning to say, I can put it anywhere, any part ng room na kung saan ko siya gagamitin, and hindi siya makakasagabal or makakaistorbo because it is not eating up too much space sa loob ng room. Another beautiful thing about this product is, of course, yung buttons niya sa taas. Very easy to manage, easy to manipulate, easy to read, easy to use, and at the same time, napaka-high-tech niyang tignan, diba? Ang ganda-ganda niyang tignan, para siyang robot. And what I also like about this product is pwede mong palitan yung filter. You don't need to buy a new one para lang makakuha ka ulit ng product na may same functionality. So for me, another plus point yon. And at the same time, marami akong nakita sa Lazada. Before I bought this, syempre tinignan ko muna madali bang makabili ng filter because I bought this product. It was imported from China. But good thing is that maraming sellers sa Lazada ang nag-o-offer ng filter alone. So, pwede ka maka-order talaga agad-agad ng filter nitong product nito. I believe, before mo palitan yung filter, if you're gonna use it every night, every day for like 8 hours every day, it will take mga 2 to 3 months bago mo palitan yung filter kasi talagang medyo makapal yung filter niya and malaki tong device na ito. Now, in terms of the size of this device nga pala, you can use it inside a room, an enclosed room na medium size. Hindi to siya makaka-filter out masyado kung malaki, like the offices, siguro mga ilang ganito ang gagamitin mo para talagang ma-clean niya yung air sa loob ng office. So, adequate size of room or medium size na room or bedroom or sala, you can use this device na. Now, for areas of improvement on this product, it says here in the manual, meron siyang air quality sensor. Pero, if you will check here, sabi nandito daw, wala talaga akong makita na air quality sensor niya. Dalawang side, wala talaga. So, hindi ko makita kung saan ba makikita yung air quality sensor niya. So, hindi natin ma-check kung ano yung air quality nung room kung saan siya gagamitin. Sana hindi na lang nila nilagay. Another thing is, yung remote control, eto, gumagana lang siya kapag malapit ka. Pero pag malayo talaga, ayan o, eto ha, medyo 1 arm length lang. Hindi siya gumagana, 'di ba? Wala kayong naririnig na tick. So you have to make sure na malapit ka bago siya gumana. So parang useless din na merong remote control, 'di ba? Another thing na area for improvement na napansin ko kagabi is yung filter, pumapasok yung air dito sa likod. But the thing is, pag na-filter out na siya ng filter, lumalabas siya dito sa butas sa gilid. Hindi siya lumalabas sa harap. Because of course, the harap is covered. Probably, hopefully, yung mga bagong manufacture ng product, they can put parang yung sa air condition, yung parang vertical butas, para dito mismo sa harap lalabas yung air na na-filter out at hindi dito sa gilid. Kasi parang hindi siya ganun ka-innovative tingnan. Kapag nasa gilid lumalabas yung na-filter out na air, 'di ba? So yun lang naman yung mga areas for improvement ko sa kanya. Now my final verdict, am I going to use this product and will I recommend this product to you guys? Of course, yes, I will. Pak, ganon. I will use this product personally every day, especially at night pag matutulog na kami because it really helped me. Will I recommend this to my friends and to you guys? Of course, I will recommend this. The original price of this product is 3,000 to 4,000 pesos and now I bought it for only 800 plus, 1,200 with shipping fee na yon. And it's really good in terms of its functionality and its purpose here sa planet Earth. Here sa bahay namin, diba? Yeah, I will recommend this product. Try this one and use it and test it on your own. You will really love this air purifier. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you do, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your family and friends. Make sure also to leave a comment on the comment box below for any product na gusto nyong i-review and matest natin dito sa ating channel. Again, thank you so much for watching. See you again next time in my channel, Do It with Shayne. Keep on rockin'! Bye!